in meter bridge experiment, which resistance R1 in the left gap and resistance X in the right gap, null point is obtained at 30 centimeter from the left end. Means according to formula for meter bridge, X upon Y is equal to Lx upon Ly is equal to Lx upon 100 minus of Lx, Lx upon 100 minus of Lx. Now what is given? R1 in the left gap and X in the right gap. Therefore, we are having the equation R1 upon X is equal to Lx upon 100 minus of Lx, 100 minus of Lx. Null point is obtained at 30 centimeter, means value of Lx is 36 divided by 100 minus of 36, or it is equal to 36 divided by 100 minus 36, it is 64. It is what? 64. So, you can 9 4s are 36, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4 and 16 4s are 64. So, it is 9 by 16. So, 9 by 16 is equal to R1 by X. Therefore, what we can say? Value of R1 is equal to 9 by 16 X. R1 is equal to what? 9 by 16 X. Now, see here. With resistance R2 in the left gap and same resistance X in the right gap, null point is obtained at midpoint of the wire. Means in the left gap we are having resistance R2, means X is equal to R2. In the right gap we are having same resistance X. So R2 upon X, R2 upon X, same resistance X in the right gap. Null point is obtained at the midpoint of the wire. If the new balancing length is Lx dash, so R2 upon X is equal to Lx dash upon 100 minus Lx dash. But value of Lx dash is given, null point is at the midpoint. Midpoint means the total length of meter bridge wire is 100 centimeter. So, its midpoint is at a distance of 50 centimeter from the left end. So, Lx dash it was given as 50. So, 50 divided by 100 minus 50. So, it is 50 divided by 50, or it is equal to 1. It means R2 is equal to X, R2 is equal to X. So, we are having the value of R1 in terms of X as 9 by 16 X, R2 in terms of X as R2 equal to X. Now, if R1 and R2 are connected in parallel in the left gap, when R1 and R2 are connected in parallel, what is their effective value? It is R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2. When the two resistors R1 and R2 they are connected in parallel in the left gap and still resistance X in the right gap, means R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2 whole divided by X is equal to, then what is given? We have to find out null point is obtained at distance from the left end is nearly. Say new balancing length is Lx double dash upon 100 minus of Lx double dash. Okay. Now R1 into R2, we can write the value of R1 in terms of X as 9 upon 16X into what is the value of X? Value of R2, it is X divided by R1 plus R2, R1 is 9 by 16X plus R2 is X whole divided by X, and that is equal to Lx double dash divided by 100 minus of Lx double dash. Now see here, 9 by 16x square, 9 by 16x square divided by, here 9x LCM is 16. So this 16 into x means it is 16x whole divided by x, and that is equal to Lx double dash divided by 100 minus Lx double dash, Lx double dash upon 100 minus of what? Lx double dash. Therefore, see here, 9 by 16 x square, 9 by 16 x square divided by what? 9x plus 16x, how much it is? 25x divided by 16. So, this 16 get cancelled with 16, and it is Lx double dash divided by 100 minus Lx double dash. So here this 16 get cancelled with 16, 1x it get cancelled with x. So therefore we had 9 upon 25, 9x upon 25, 9x upon 25 is equal to Lx double dash upon 100 minus of Lx double dash. This x is also cancelled. So therefore cross multiply this. So on cross multiplying this, we will get 9 into 100 minus of Lx double dash is equal to 25 into Lx double dash. So 900 minus 9 Lx double dash is equal to 25 Lx double dash. Now minus 9 Lx dash, when it is taken to other side, so what we will get? 25 plus 9. So 900 is equal to 34 Lx double dash. So therefore Lx double dash is equal to 900 divided by 34, and that is 26.5 centimeter. 26.5 centimeter. So option C, which is 26.5 centimeter, is the correct option for this question.